Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is the Stock King with his first video ever. And before I start my first video, I want to let y'all know the goal of this channel is to make y'all rich. We will become rich together, y'all. So the first stock we're looking at on the channel is Soundhound AI. I believe this stock could go to easily at least $10 in the next few days. And I will give you a bunch of reasons why. I'll say where the stock will be in a year, 5 years, etc. But first of all, we're going to go into the 1 month chart and we're going to see how Soundhound's been doing the past month. As you can see, before the earnings, it was going up very high, and then the earnings came. Growth was literally incredible, but because of the high expectations with AI and stuff, it did drop down over here. Went back down a little bit, but now it's going on this amazing high run with amazing volume as well. And I want to go to the past 5-day chart, so I want to show y'all why I know this is a bullish stock. So first of all, around this time when it was going up, Nasdaq as a whole was down. Everything AI related was down except for Soundhound, and this is very unusual and rare for a company that is AI based and which is basically getting carried by Nvidia. While Nvidia went down 5%, Soundhound actually went up around 2% that day. This was the first sign I was like, okay, this is definitely a bullish stock, and this stock could definitely go someplace. Let's just look at the today graph. As you can see, the volume is very unusual. It starts off kind of, well, not low obviously, but it gets really high during these parts. And what I like about Soundhound is how on these very high spikes, the volume increases. As example right here, it spikes up and the volume is very high. Basically what this is telling me is that the market agrees that the stock should be a higher price. Like around here, whenever there's this really big spikes and rallies, the market agrees with it. These are very massive green candles. This is a very bullish sign. As you can see, as the day went on, I like how this part just flattened out. Because after a really long ride like this, where it keeps going up and up, when it's up 15%, for the last hour just to relax around here, showing that it deserves the $7 price and showing that everybody, all the investors agree that $7 price is fair, is very huge. And then also the after hours is going pretty high, and usually after hours don't mean much, but the volume's actually pretty decent on this after hours. As you can see, 100k volume spikes, even kind of late. Well, a little bit later, it was just balancing out. So, but I do think that this plus 2% is legit. I think that this should be considered, because usually you don't consider after hours, but with this volume, I think that 710 is the correct price, and I think you could definitely consider after hours to be the price right now. Here, why I do believe that Sound will increase to $10 in the next few days. First of all, this massive AI conference held by Nvidia, I do believe that the hype will be unreal for the next few days until the March 18th, when they release and they present their AI conference. And I do believe that there's a lot of hype that Soundhound will be announced, since they are since Nvidia does have a lot invested into them. And I can promise you, if they do announce Soundhound in their AI conference, Soundhound will spike up incredibly high. I'm guessing 20% right away, like the first 5 minutes, if they do mention their name. Because as right now, this company is $2 billion market cap, which is basically nothing in the AI landscape. And this company, if they do get mentioned by the video during the AI conference, will spike up really high. And even right now, the next few days, even if they don't get mentioned, I still think that it might go down a little bit if they don't get mentioned. But I do believe that this stock will continue to rally, even if this stock will continue to rise, just because of the hype and the anticipation of the AI conference. Also, I want to look at a stock which is not doing too good, which is Big Bear AI. Now, Big Bear AI reminds me of Soundhound a lot. Before the earnings, it spiked up really high, and then it dropped after earnings. But the difference with Big Bear and Soundhound is that Soundhound did drop a lot, but not this much. Like, this stock is just getting hammered right now. When earnings came out for Soundhound, it dropped like 20%, but then it was just relaxing down here, 5.63. It did drop, but then it came back. But right now it's just going down and down. And even while Nasdaq is going up, Big Bear AI still struggles to go up. And after hours, it's up 4 cents, 2%, but the volume is literally dead. It's nobody's trade Big Bear AI. I do believe that maybe in the future, if it goes to $1, I'll buy it again. But for right now, Soundhound is showing you why you should believe in it and why it's better than the current competitors like Big Bear AI, which are fellow AI stocks. Now let's go to another reason, a big reason on which why I do believe in Soundhound can reach maybe $100 in 5 years. Could be a stretch, could not be a stretch, who knows? But the contracts that they have with massive companies such as Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, Honda, Pandora, MasterCard, Vizio, Netflix, Square, and Snapchat. These are absolutely massive companies, and they have massive contracts which are very long. They're long-term contracts, and these contracts definitely give me hope about the company as a whole, that it will continue to rise and it will continue to do good things. If you see this and you're like, oh, this company's bad, you have lost your damn mind. Listen here, because this company is gonna blow up. You can just tell it's gonna blow up. There's no question in my mind. $7 right now, you might think, oh, it's ramped so much, I should probably hold on and maybe wait. But no, you gotta buy it now, because as the days continue to go on, this volume will just continue to increase. These spikes will get higher and higher. And right here, where it's the $7, it broke $7 and just chilled out here, not even really any fight at $7 range, that is a really good sign that this stock will indeed blow up and it'll do its thing. What do you guys think right now of Soundhound AI in the comments? Hopefully y'all enjoyed my first video. Have a good day and peace out.